Today I'm going to be looking at the Otterbox Symmetry for the iPhone X. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I just picked up two cases for the iPhone X. This is the Otterbox Symmetry. I have it in black and in Cordovan slate gray. There are other colors available online. I have the links included in the description below. So let's take a quick look at the cases. This is the Cordovan slate gray. Let's see what it says on the back. It says the style you want, the protection you need. Drop protection. Ultra slim one-piece design. Easy on and off. I'll take it out of the box now. It has a solid feel to it, not flimsy at all. The inside has a rubber feel with a textured inner lining. You can see the texture here. The buttons press down nicely. The back has a hard plastic feel to it. You can see the Otterbox branding on the bottom here. It looks like two materials infused together, a hard plastic and a rubber feel towards the top. Also, the Otterbox logo is on the side. Let's go ahead and put the phone in. I'll start by putting one side in, and now pressing the sides gently. Installs fairly easy, just takes a little push. I do have a screen protector and it looks like it plays nice with it, no issues. The camera has good protection all around. Grip is okay, it's not textured, so it may become a bit slippery. The side, you can see the switch for the mute. Takes a little bit of reach, but still accessible. The buttons are covered. The cutout for the speaker and power are done nicely. Here's a look at the two different layers. The hard plastic and the rubber material towards the top. Here you can see the raised bezel, so that adds some protection if you place the phone face down. And no issue with the glass screen protector. Overall, it's just a solid, sturdy feel to it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the black one. I'll go ahead and speed up the install for the black one. There you have it, everything the same as the Cordovan gray, just the difference is the color. Again, a solid feel all around. These cases are wireless charging compatible per the information online. The Otterbox Symmetry, it provides sleek protection. It does make the phone a bit thick, so if you're looking for a slim case, this may not be for you. But comparing with the other cases that they offer, this is definitely slimmer. Overall protection and quality is good in my opinion. These cases range from $20 to $30 online. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.